Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to fix the black screen issue on any phone. Of course, it's a universal fix. It applies to any Android, iOS device, or of course, it applies to um, any modern phone, even older ones as well. All right. So I'm going to show you to fix the black screen issue across any of these devices. All right. As I said, it works on any device. This is a Ultra. All right, and of course this is a series, and of course it would apply to an iPhone as well, or of course it will apply to any of those including Google phones, OnePlus, you name it. All right, so here's what you do when you're having this issue. I'll be demonstrating on this particular device. All right, so you sometimes will hear sound. Do not worry. In the case of this problem, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna find your power button and your volume down button. All right, this is only demonstration. I'm only demonstrating on this device. It's not actually happening. So you're gonna go ahead and hold power and volume down. All right, it's a quick procedure. So go ahead and hold power and volume down. You're gonna keep holding power and volume down. All right, make sure the device is off. You should stop hearing sounds, and as soon as you see the first logo, you can just let go. All right. If the device doesn't come on, you can press the power button for 5 seconds. All right. If it doesn't work the first time, you may have to try it up to even 10 times. In some cases, I've seen where people have used this guide and or used guides that I've created, and it took sometime 10 tries or even more. All right. So of course, there you go. It should fix the device. Now on other devices, such as this A series, it will be the same. All you gotta do is find your power button and your volume down, hold both, and of course it will should be able to fix the issue. All right, so in some cases, when you do that, it doesn't fix it, especially I've tried several times. The next thing you can do, guys, is to go ahead and get your charger. You're gonna get the USB cable or USB Type-C cable, whatever it uses, and you're simply going to connect it to the device or to the phone. Now, once you connect it to the phone, you're gonna connect the other end to your laptop. All right, so once you connect it to the laptop, simply go ahead with it connected to the laptop, and of course, with it connected and the other end to your laptop. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and of course you're gonna attempt the same procedure again. You're gonna hold down power and volume down, and you're gonna hold and press and hold, and of course the device should come back up. All right, in the past we usually remove the battery, and of course we press the power with the battery out and then replace the battery, and that usually works. However, these have built-in batteries, so it's a little bit different. So if you try that, including using your laptop or even your Mac and connecting the phone up, it should fix the black screen problem across your devices. All right, you may have to try a few times, and remember the variation is to connect it, try it even with it connected to the laptop. All right, so do hope this was useful, and as always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, showing you to fix the black screen issue on any phone. So see you in the next one guys. Bye.